Did you know you can go from this to this and this with this? The RevAir Reverse Air Dryer is not just for straight styling, it's also a beast for styling curls as well. It's the fastest, healthiest, and easiest way to dry and smooth your hair straight in one simple step. It's a genius device that uses friction-free airflow to gently seal the hair cuticle closed while it dries and stretches the hair in half the time it takes with traditional hair tools. It leaves you with straight, smooth, frizz-free hair that you can wear as is, or you can twist and braid them into protective styles, twist outs, or even flat iron. But I bet you didn't know that you can also use it to style your curls. If you're a type 4 girly like me, your hair probably looks similar to this on wash day. My hair was freshly washed, conditioned of course, styled with a hair mousse, and now it's about 95% dry. Oh, and super shrunken of course. All I need is 15 minutes and my RevAir Reverse Air Dryer. For straight hair results, you'll want the tension setting to be between 5 and 7. But to preserve your curl pattern with a gentle stretch and dry, they have lower settings that help keep your curls and coils intact. I'm going to use setting 1 to help set my curly coily wash and go. It's just a little bit of tension that helps to pull the hair into the wand so it can dry. Working from the back to the front in medium sections at a time, I'm going to pass over each section using heat level 1. I don't like to go all in with the high heat setting all at once. I like to go in slowly with the lower heat setting to help preserve the moisture in my hair. So I grab a medium section of my curly set hair. And again, to remind you, when you're stretching a wash and go style, you want your hair to be about 95% dry so that your curl pattern has had time to set before you start manipulating it. That's just going to help you keep your definition and reduce frizz. So I'm placing the hair in the RevAir wand and I'm gently guiding the wand up to my roots. Because we're on tension level 1, you will feel just a slight bit of suction, which is best to help preserve the curl pattern. After 20 seconds, I grab another medium-sized section and repeat, placing it into the wand and letting the hair dry and stretch for about 20 seconds, and gently pulling the curls out. And with just this little bit of effort, you can already see the difference in my shrinkage. Now you can stretch your curls as little or as much as you want. All you need to do is increase or lower the tension level. So more tension equals more stretch. But I personally want to keep as much definition as possible here. So that's why I'm staying on tension level 1 for my wash and go styling. I'm shaking out my curls because I want to create a tapered look. So to do that, I'm strategically stretching the top of my hair less than I stretch the bottom of my hair. This is going to give the illusion of a tapered cut while keeping that volume at the top in my crown. I stick the section of hair into the wand, hold it there for about 20 seconds, and that's it. It's literally the quickest and easiest way to stretch and shape your wash and go curls. Okay, so that section was a little bit too stretched. I got a little excited, but that's all right, just ignore. On the sections at the very top, I'm literally just gonna place them into the wand for like 10 seconds. I only want a teeny bit of stretch here. I really wanna keep that volume. And check out that beautiful shape we're creating. Okay, on these last sections, we just need them to blend into the rest of the hair. Stretch for about 20 seconds if it's towards the bottom, and a quick 10 seconds if the hair is at the top. And please check out the difference of the before and after. My hair is so much more stretched and has a much more flattering shape to it. And with the RevAir, this is achieved in less than 15 minutes. No fuss, so simple and quick to use. I'm obsessed. Besides how effective and quick the RevAir is, I truly love how simple and easy it is to use. You don't have to be a trained hairstylist or gifted with a blow dryer. If you can hold the wand, you can effortlessly achieve looks like this stretched curly wash and go, or a smooth, frizz-free straight look. I just feel like it helps to even the playing field for everyone, no matter what their skill set is or abilities. And that's it, 15 minutes and your wash and go went from shrunken and uneven to full, tapered, and voluminous. I love it. It's so fast, so simple. I mean, truly this machine does so much. Now, do you have time for me to show you one more? I got one more look for you. This is a similar idea, but it's gonna use twists. And yes, you can dry your hair with twists with the RevAir as well. Ignore my hair frizzies. I do jujitsu and I'm not giving it up to avoid hair breakage. I don't care. I know it's crazy looking, I'm sorry, but I need to do what I love. Okay, so my hair is freshly washed here. Now you can wait for these to air dry, or you can set and stretch them with the RevAir Reverse Air Dryer. So I'm using a bit of heat protectant for my outer twist layers just to be extra safe. I'm gonna dry each twist first on tension level 3, heat level 1. Heat level 1 to help dry the hair while preserving its moisture, and tension level 3 to help stretch the twist and lock in as much of that twisted definition as possible while it dries. So I'm drying each of these twists for about 2 minutes each. Then once the twists feel a little bit more than halfway dry, we kick it up to heat level 2 to try and dry it as much as possible. We're gonna hold each twist in the wand for about 60 seconds to let them dry. Okay, now the fun part, working from back to front. Tension level 2, heat level 1. We're gonna untwist one twist at a time to reveal those 2 twisted sections. And now we're gonna fully dry these one section at a time. The first pass is on low heat or heat level 1 to help preserve the hair's moisture. Then we're gonna finish drying the section on high heat or heat level 2. And this gives you a beautiful, naturally stretched wave or crimp that looks natural and effortless. So back down to heat level 1 for the next section, followed by heat level 2 to finish it off. And that's it. On each twist, you're just gonna untwist the 2 sections, and one section at a time, you're gonna dry it first on heat level 1, and then again on heat level 2. And that's literally all you have to do. Now it might look a little crazy at first, but you'll see it start to take shape once half your head is dry. This is definitely a trust the process type of style. I actually discovered this carefree hairstyle when I was at a photo shoot and my twist out didn't fully dry overnight. The morning of the photo shoot, I couldn't tell if my twists were fully dry, but my instincts were telling me to bring the RevAir in the car, and I am so happy I did. And this was the first RevAir model. You know that thing was big, okay? I was lugging it all over the place. But when I got to the shoot and I took my twists out, they were still wet. But I was able to finish drying them using the RevAir, and the photos came out so beautifully. This was the first time my hair had ever had this like wavy, crimpy type of style, but was also stretched at the same time. I'd done a beach wave before, but it wasn't stretched like this. And so from then on, drying and stretching my twist outs with the RevAir reverse air dryer became one of my most favorite effortless looks that I still do to this day. Okay, so my hair is completely dry now. I'm just separating those curls and waves to help give the hair movement and volume. And I'm just using a little bit of oil blend on my hands to help reduce the frizzing as I separate. So what do you think, guys? This effortless, carefree, and wild twist out that I literally can only ever achieve with my RevAir reverse air dryer. It's a combination of the tension and airflow on the twist that create these beautiful crimps and beach waves. So guys, did you know that you can use a RevAir reverse air dryer to also style your curls and coils? This little genius device does so much. It's truly a hair tool I cannot do without. It makes my wash days and styling so much quicker and easier, and it's so versatile, creating smooth, frizz-free looks all the way to curly, voluminous styles. If you haven't already grabbed your own, now's the time. I hope you guys love these looks. Please give them a try at home if you haven't already. If you have the RevAir, definitely don't sleep on this. And if you don't have the RevAir, definitely pick it up. It's so versatile, and the different styles you can create are just so easy and quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.